Hi there, this is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about living longer with less cancer by reversing thymus aging. Now, we learned about the TRIIM trial in my other post on thymus aging, and the TRIIM trial, one of the most read studies ever done in all of medicine, basically showed a 2.5-year reduction in epigenetic age for a group of men who were given growth hormone, DHEA, vitamin D, metformin, and zinc for a year. And what they showed was the thymus gland got quite a bit larger, and they got younger. But they also showed some dramatic changes to their lymphocyte population. Turns out that lymphocytes protect us from, part of their job is to kill viruses and cancer cells. And there's something called the LMR, the lymphocyte monocyte ratio. And the LMR predicts how long you live to some degree. You want more lymphocytes, so you want a lower ratio, a higher ratio, lymphocyte to monocyte. And lymphocytes are quite different than monocytes. Monocytes gobble up NAD, and that helps to damage your epigenome because you don't have enough energy for your sirtuin proteins. So what they found was that there's a dramatic increase in the LMR ratio, and the whole new populations of these naive lymphocytes that last for a long time and have many, many correlations with reduced cancer risk. That's really cool. And that probably is why you live longer, in part, because you're reducing cancer, your epigenome is functioning properly and protecting you properly, and you're measuring that with objective measurements. We can't really do that yet unless in a research lab, but you can get growth hormone relatively inexpensively growth hormone itself is horribly expensive, but CJC ipamorelin, which are the peptides that make you make your own growth hormone, is widely available. And you can get NAD as a supplement, you can get DHEA easily, and vitamin D, God forbid you get that. So please take that. And zinc, 50 milligrams a day, is super easy. So these are all achievable functions, and we now have research showing that it's useful to be doing it. They aren't available on an everyday basis quite yet, and I'm not sure anywhere I can get an LMR ratio, but I'm doing all those things for my own self. 71 years old, and I haven't gotten any cancer yet, knock on wood. News and nutrition. You can live longer by getting your epigenome healthy and your lymphocyte to monocyte ratio improved.